Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first episode of Vibe with AK. Now, I had to name this series something. So, firstly, let me tell you what is it all about. I asked you guys to ask me some questions on my Instagram. मैं इस चीज़ को कंटिन्यू रखना चाहूँगी because I think this is a very good way to keep in touch and being engaged and getting closer to you, to know you better and for you guys to know me better. So moving on, yes, another thing, I am so alhamdulillah, 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 I am shooting with my own ring light today, and I know that it could be a very small thing for a lot of people, but for me, honestly, it's something very huge, it's something very big for me. And uh, I'm sorry, excuse me, it is a very big deal for me because I just don't know these all these small things that are pushing me, that are making me move forward. It is just I'm just very grateful. I feel blessed. मैंने आप लोगों के questions, I wrote them down because I shoot with my phone. Another thing I want to tell you guys about myself, I have a DSLR, I have a Canon 700D. I am not good with technology, guys. जब भी ऐसे क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड सब कुछ वाला वीडियो होगा, आई हैव डिसाइडेड, लाइक ये चीज़ तो मेरे दिमाग में बहुत पहले से क्लियर थी, दैट if the question is about me, like if you're asking something about myself, like about me, I am gonna name you. But if it's related to you, something you want to know, some advice you want from me, I am not gonna take your name here on the camera because I understand ki a lot of people don't come forward to ask their questions because they feel embarrassed or they don't want their name to be out there, called out there loud in public, and I get that. So you don't have to worry about it. If you've asked me something about your life, I'm not gonna name you. Sorry. So starting with the first question. If at all you've faced or conquered this issue, how do you avoid overthinking? It's $1 million question. Everybody wants to know it. Even I want to know an answer for that. Okay, so jokes apart, yes, I have and I still do. I am a professional overthinker, and I really know how toxic that cycle gets. It's like even when you're around so many, like I am telling you something from my own experience. It's like even when you're around so many people who love you or people you love, it doesn't matter. It just takes a fraction of second to just get stuck in that loop. I don't know how that happens. I don't know if that happens with you or not, but it does happen with me. It takes a lot of effort, and I realize it, to push yourself from a bad mood to a good mood on the other hand. And I know it takes a lot because it's a vicious cycle, and you just, even when you don't want that to happen, you're just stuck there and you can't stop thinking negatively. I really have to push myself to come out of that zone. Like, I love spending time alone, I love spending time with my own self, and I believe that it is extremely important for everybody. So honestly, some days I give in, I succumb to those negative thinking, and I get into that loop and I cry, or I just try to sleep over it, honestly. But other days I try to remind myself that no, it's just something that is just here. Like, so you really need to learn the difference between your intuition guiding you to somewhere, and I really believe that you should always follow your intuition, your gut feeling, but you should know the difference between your intuition and your trauma that is misleading you. Sometimes we think that it is our intuition, but it's just the bad experiences or the trauma that is misleading us, misguiding us. And yeah, I know it's tricky, it is tricky, but in your heart, somewhere in your heart, you know what's right and what's wrong. I watch Friends whenever I'm anxious. It really helps my anxiety. I even dance when I'm anxious or I'm feeling depressed because it also changes my mood. So you need to know what gives you happiness, what distracts your mind, and yeah, just try to do that. And I know in your case it is singing, so I think that would give you, um, I wouldn't say that it would completely take your mind off the subject, off the topic, but sometimes when we are overthinking about something very stupid, and we all know that, we all do that. This is one advice that I have been giving to all my friends, and I keep telling this to myself. I keep repeating it in my head, and I really say that you have to train your brain and you have to fake it till you make it. Now, this might sound very stupid to you that, you know, why do we have to fake it till we make it? But for me, it really works, cause I have to. You gotta train your brain literally to believe, for it to believe that, you know, no, it's not happening. You know, it's all just in my head, and you gotta divert your mind. And trust me, it will change. It will change your mood. It's gonna change your perspective. It's gonna change your reactions to things. You know, we are very very overcritical, and we are very harsh when it comes to ourselves. Like we criticize our own selves. हम अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा demotivate कर देते हैं इन चीज़ों को लेके, जो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए. Cause mostly we are just overthinking, and I feel you, girl. I feel you. I hope this answer helps you. So, coming to the next question. Okay, my beautiful baby Shireen has said, I just want to say that I am proud of you. Oh, I know that you're proud of me. I love you. I don't want to start crying again. I have a lot to say because I have questions regarding this, and I'll come back to you, and I'll come back to you. I love you and thank you. So the next question is from Coates Heart 234. God bless you. There are multiple questions here. God bless you again, sending you healing. Thank you so much. I hope God blesses you too. May Allah bless you. Just to spread positive vibes, please post 5-7 female friends of yours who have really motivated you. You asked me to name 5-7, and I'm gonna name all the names that I'm able to recall right now, because genuinely, not kidding, not exaggerating, I have a lot of girlfriends, and honestly, all of us, we don't talk to each other on a daily basis, but I know for sure that these girls have my back. They are my biggest cheerleaders, and they will always have my back. And likewise, I will be there for them whenever they need me, and in whichever way I can help them. So Tanvi, thank you Shireen, thank you Avni, thank you Vasu, thank you Bhavya, thank you Arij, thank you Saiba, thank you Arzu, thank you Nikki, thank you Sophia, thank you Aditi, thank you Disha, thank you Shraddha Didi, thank you Vedahi, thank you PC, Prerna, I love you, thank you Sia, thank you Oshin, thank you Rida, thank you Konika, thank you Malvi, thank you Kriti, thank you Manisha, thank you Mahima, thank you Samriddhi Didi, and thank you Kanika Didi. You Wonder Women of my life. You guys don't even know how much you inspire me on a daily basis. I get to learn so much from all of you guys. Love you. This always disturbs me, girls not supporting other girls. Honestly, this disturbs me as well. I just don't know why is this cattiness when it comes to girls not supporting each other. I mean, dude, what I believe is one should always and always admire beauty. Most of the beauty comes from the way you make people feel. You know, people would really forget what you said and what you did to them, but they would never forget how you made them feel. We should really think to ourselves that I think I am not in a competition with anyone. I want every one of us to excel in whatever we want to do, and you should, you know, it's very good. It's very good if you're getting inspired by somebody. I think it's brilliant if you're getting inspired by someone, but being in a negative way, an unhealthy way of competition in which you just want to show that, you know, I am better than you, I don't think that would take you a very long way, cause I don't think that's the key. अगर आपको बिना बात किसी से ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है ना कि oh my god, look at what she's wearing, oh my god, look at how she has done her hair, how she's talking, how she talks, और ये सब small talk and all that, just ask yourself, is it stemming from something that you lack? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि वो चीज़ आउट ऑफ जेलसी आ रही है. It's something very bitter, but it could also be the truth. Because if you are not in competition with anyone else but yourself, you will be happier, more than happier, to help other women grow. You are incredibly talented. May Jesus protect you always. Oh, that is so sweet. Thank you so much. It is all because of you guys who send me these messages, and you don't even realize how much, you know, it affects me, like in a good way. It leaves an impact on my heart and soul. I'm just mesmerized. I am so happy. It makes my day, it makes my heart whole. Thank you for acknowledging my efforts. That's all I have to say. Love you. Right back at you. We meet a few females who uplift us, make us realize our worth. So I'd like you to share. Are there any females who have motivated you to be the way you are? You're a great writer and you have amazing makeup skills. Has someone motivated you in your friend circle, or a special female who has made you realize that you are worth it? I think I just answered your question. Prerna, no questions, just keep growing and glowing. Good luck. Grow तो मैं काफ़ी ही कर रही हूँ हर जगह से. Jokes apart, did I just spit? Thank you, Prerna. Love you. Love you, bro. Love you. Okay, Singh Abhiba. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. You were my senior in SMG. I was there only for 3 years and I've adored you since day one. Oh my god. I mean, someone from SMG who doesn't know me personally is saying that they adored me from day one is like it is the biggest deal.
Oh my god!
People who didn't know me personally in school, everyone hated me, man. I love you. You made my day. Thank you so much for saying this. I mean, if you really mean it, it means the world to me. Love you. Kajal Didi, love you too. Okay, Tanvi, Lakshay, Manni, I am not going to answer your questions here. Your questions, like Manni, tu to chup rahe. But Tanvi and Lakshay, your questions are not even close to being relevant कि मैं यहाँ पे उनका जवाब दूँ. I'm sorry guys. Back to Singh Abhiba. Recently started my YouTube channel. Any tips on how to grow? Congratulations for your YouTube channel. मैं ये tips देना चाहूँगी that you should be consistent. बहुत क्लीशे टिप्स हैं यार, कोई भी किसी का भी चैनल उठा के खोल लो यही सब बोलेंगे, बट जेन्युइनली ये चीज़ें मैंने खुद एक्सपीरियंस करी हैं एंड मैं उससे बोल रही हूँ कि कंसिस्टेंसी इन अ वे मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि यू हैव टू डू इट एवरी डे और एवरी वीक, बट यूट्यूब एल्गोरिदम्स पकड़ता है. सो इवन इफ़ यू आर अपलोडिंग वन वीडियो लाइक वंस अ मंथ, एक वीडियो एक मंथ में, YouTube will see that and it will pick that up कि हाँ एटलीस्ट महीने में एक वीडियो आ ही आ रहा है. So that is how it works. Okay, so you have to be consistent with it. Second thing I would say that I really did not believe in it until and unless I saw it as an audience and I realized how much it mattered. Thumbnail, oh my god, thumbnail is such a big thing and I thought यार क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि वीडियो के अंदर क्या है, आई हैव मेड इट एंड मैं उसी पर्सपेक्टिव से सोच रही हूँ कि यार सबको ठीक है यार सब देख लेंगे. बट व्हेन आई अगेन थैंकिंग सैफ फॉर इट. सैफ, यू आर अ लाइफ सेवियर. आई कांट थैंक यू इनफ. मैंने जब उस पर्सपेक्टिव से देखा कि एज एन ऑडियंस अगर मैं खुद ही कोई वीडियो देख रही होती हूँ यूट्यूब पे एंड इफ़ आई डोंट फाइंड द थंबनेल और द टाइटल कैची इनफ, आई वुडंट वॉच इट. And then I thought to myself that why would somebody watch my videos if it is not catchy enough. So yeah, thumbnail and title is really important. Another thing, anybody of you who's watching this video and who has a YouTube channel and you want to promote your YouTube channel, please feel free to use the comment sections. अपने channel के link डाल दो and so that people can go through your channel as well, and you can do it on any of my videos, like on all of my videos. I would be more than happy if I can help in any way. Nikita Arora 18, how are you so strong? And I really like your makeup videos, binge watch them sometimes. That is so sweet. Coming to the question you asked me, how am I so strong? Okay, honestly the only answer I have is that I don't have any other option. और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है मेरे पास स्ट्रॉन्ग रहने के सिवा, एंड दैट इज़ द ओनली थिंग दैट आई कैन डू राइट नाउ, एंड दैट इज़ what I am trying to do at least. I'm not that strong, I'm a crybaby actually, but that's all I have to say. Love you. Abhishek Tiwari, I just want to say to you that I am all ears to you also, always. I know that you are, and stop making me cry, you guys. Love you, Thule. I know you're there, and thank you. SRQQ0101, okay. Your past relationships and why they ended. So I haven't had a lot of relationships, to be honest. I've had a few, and they all ended because of different reasons. But coming to the bottom line of it, I would just say that what I realized is compatibility is more important than chemistry. Like, there could be a lot of chemistry and flames, and you know, it could be just wow, and it could just look amazing and beautiful, but if you guys aren't compatible, it wouldn't work. So yeah, that's something I learned. Like, you guys should be on the same page. They wanted different things in life, and I wanted different things in life, and that's all about it. No more further comments. How to deal with negativity and constant criticism if it comes from an unavoidable source. It is gonna be there. It's gonna hurt you really bad, honestly, if it's coming from a source that you can't avoid. Only way you can help it, okay? I'm telling it to myself as well. See, as I always say, first they hate and then they follow. They want you to feel that you don't deserve. People are gonna come at you for what you're doing. It could be out of jealousy, out of insecurity, out of any other reason, because for what I believe is that if it is constructive criticism, it's gonna come in a healthy way, and if you don't feel that healthy energy and healthy vibe coming from the source, what I would say is that all you can do is not try to give that source attention, which is all they need, so that they succeed in what they want, to pull you down, to drag you down. And that's what you have to master. You have to master this, and you don't have to give them attention at all. I know it's very easy to say, but I've been there myself. I am in those shoes, and I feel it completely. It's very, very difficult to avoid it when it comes from a very immediate environment. But honestly, if you keep reminding yourself, and if you just vent it out to people who you confide in, you will outgrow all those feelings, and at a point you will feel accomplished. And I always say, you don't see things as they are, you see things as you are. You're gonna see beauty in things, you're gonna see positivity in things if you are a positive person from within, and if you are not, then I'm sorry, but of course there's always room for growth and becoming a better person. So rather than dragging people down, you should appreciate them. Renu Terua, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Tell us about your family. Okay. So, I lost my father in July this year, and so now it's my mom, it's me. My elder sister is married to the love of her life, touch wood, and our two little babies, Disco and Romeo. Yeah, so that's about it. Nikita Arora, please make more makeup videos ना, मेरे घर पे शादी है. That is so cute. Okay, I will try. यार पता है शादी वाला मेकअप वीडियोस का पंगा मेरे साथ ये है कि मेरा तो एक ऐसे it's like a patent. If I have to describe my like signature AK look, it would be smoky eyes and nude lipstick. Like अगर मैंने blue पहना है तो मैं blue smoky eyes कर लूँगी, black कर लूँगी, purple कर लूँगी, and then I'll wear a nude lipstick. It's just set for me. And so yeah, please मुझे suggest कर दो कि आपको कैसा makeup look देखना है, and I'll try to make a video on that. because when it comes to wedding guest and ये सब मैं थोड़ा confused हो जाती हूँ because I play safe and I'm always like you'll maximum of the times you'll find me wearing a smoky eye and nude lipstick. Like that is what I love. Where do you think I went wrong with her that she had to leave? I know you are not friends with her, but still. Yeah, so there's a reason that I'm not friends with her anymore, and things really turned ugly, and I never imagined that things would turn that way. Even Avni did not, like, because we were so carefree, we were so full of life, and we didn't care about the small talk and whatever the conspiracies. घर का पूरा aura change हो गया था, and हमने बहुत लेट वो चीज़ रियलाइज़ करी जब हमें हिट हुई कि ओ माई गॉड व्हाट्स बिन हैपनिंग बिहाइंड आवर बैक. वी लर्नड अ लॉट फ्रॉम दैट एक्सपीरियंस. इट वाज अ मेजर रीज़न. she was a major reason. I'm not going to take names, of course, but she was a major reason why a lot of things happened in our lives. And मैं ये मानती हूँ कि मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं किया था, so I wasn't the person who was going and telling things to people around in college or other friends as well. मेरे दिल में कोई चोट नहीं था. I had nothing to, justify, because I didn't do anything, I didn't say anything, and things got so ugly because of one person. Like, not one person, there were many, there were 2-3 for that matter. But yeah, I really don't know what happened between you guys, and I'm sorry that you guys broke up or something, but I think it will be better if we talk personally about it. So yeah, I will text you and I will ask you what's been up. Not everything you lose is a loss, and that's what I've learned from that. Since we are talking about that situation and why I didn't say anything to anyone back then, and now I am not exactly talking about it, but yeah, I wanted to say one thing. When that incident happened with me, and I got traumatized because of it, and even Avni and I, we were taken aback. It was a very bad situation for us mentally, and for me personally it was more because friends, college, classroom, batch. I kept thinking that what was it that was, what did I have so exclusive that the other person did not. I think it was Bhavya who made me realize this, that sometimes it's not what you have, like materialistically. Sometimes it's how people around you love you, and that really hit me. People sometimes cannot stand the way other people love you, and it has, it's their problem, not yours. So that is why I kept my mouth shut, because I didn't have to do anything with it. But yeah, it made a lot of things clear for me कि आपकी खुद की वाइब्रेशन और एनर्जी कैसी है, आप लोगों को कैसा फील कराते हो, या लोग आपसे कितना प्यार करते हैं. And genuinely, I kid you not, I've experienced it. People get insecure over that as well. How to fight the negativity of mind and surroundings and all of the stuff going on, and gather the courage and confidence to fight back. I need space, time and mental peace. Sometimes I feel lost and unstable. I don't know what to do. It is something very natural. सारे दिन एक जैसे नहीं होते. There are good days and then there are bad days, and then there are days when you lose your mind completely, you lose it, and it is okay. Since you're dealing with so much, since you have to juggle up with life and marriage and a baby and everything, I don't know how you do it. I mean, hats off to you. As I said, you inspire me in a lot of ways. I took your name, you heard it, you inspire me. So don't ever think that you are losing it and you're off track, because you're not. You have a beautiful, beautiful angel by your side to, just let your negativity go and channelize your positivity उसकी तरफ. Just be with her. जब तक हम ये downfalls और ये बुरे दिन और बुरा वक्त नहीं देखते, तब तक how are we supposed to know that feeling of being happy and grateful? And it's just that I know you need your space and time, then take it. You take your space, you take your time, you take your time off from everything. थोड़ा टाइम अपने लिए लो, because you need it. You've always been a fighter. You've always kept that big smile on your face no matter what you were going through, and I know you will do it. It's just a bad phase, and it will go, and I promise you that. And I'm right here. Just just come over. Okay, you just come over here and I'll give you the tightest hug, and just don't let that negative thoughts overpower the person you really are. You are an extremely positive person who radiates positive vibes. Okay, so guys, that was all about it. So yeah, with all the Baba ka gyan that I've jhadofide all this while, I hope you guys liked it and I hope I helped you in some way. So thank you for watching the first episode of Vibe with AK, and this series, I know for sure that this has a very special place in my heart, because vibing is all about me and I am all about vibing. So yeah, thank you for watching. I love each and every one of you.